We're here at the temporary bot farm. Tom on the computer, prepping some prints. This is our workshop with elegantly decorated windows. Some of our previous prints. Within the workshop we have some MakerBot Thingamatics that we're repairing and modifying. The workbench. We have some of our models that we've printed over the year, just kind of strewn about. Then we go into the other room. This is going to be our auxiliary 3D printer room. This is a PrinterBot Plus with the Super Z extension, so it can print very tall things. This is the Up Mini. It's a really nice consumer grade 3D printer. Easy to set up, nice enclosure. Now in the next most exciting room, we have Chicago's first micro factory, running 10 MakerBots. I'll turn on the light, give you a look on the inside. So we'll start here on the left. This is just our temporary computer station. Right now we're printing a water pump on this machine in natural PLA corn-based plastic, biodegradable and reusable, on a MakerBot Replicator 1. Then we'll turn, here's Holly.
Hello.
And we'll start over here. We are printing Nautilus gears, which are in the shape of a seashell looking thing, printing in blue PLA, and the same exact model being printed out here in white PLA plastic. Again, that's the corn-based. These are some upgraded parts that we are printing out to add to our machines. These will hold our plastic better for us. Over on this machine, we have plated up a whole bunch of Sears towers, aka now the Willis Tower. So this is the model that is going to be printed on this machine here, and there are 18 of them that we're printing all at once. So we'll give you an aerial view. And this is being printed out in ABS plastic. This is the same material that Legos are made out of. And we're using ABS on this model here. This is a titled Fishnet Woman, which is a Veroni filter put onto the Pink Panther woman on the website Thingiverse.com. So a closer look. And then over here on the left, we have Sue the T-Rex from the museum here in Chicago. Here's what it will eventually look like. So Sue the T-Rex from the Field Museum. Over here, this is really exciting. We have 3 new MakerBot Replicator 2s printing in PLA plastic. This model right here, we have two colors in this print. So this is a miniature version of what I'm printing right now. This is a model from the video game Minecraft, where on the bottom I printed in blue for the water, switched out the color of the plastic to be green, and then printed right on top of that. So this is going to be a very big model. Over here, on another machine, we have this Veroni type model being printed out. Oh, the light's terrible. But we're printing this exact model in a translucent blue. Over here, we are printing out a 3D scanned human hand. And it's being printed out in natural PLA corn-based plastic as well. We have our system, whatever, status. So here's the micro factory. And here's everybody else. So coming March 15th here in Chicago, we have the 3D printer experience. If you're in town, come check us out at 320 North Clark. We'll be showcasing a lot of the machines we have here, plus a lot more coming to you. Check it out, 3dprinterexperience.com.